Introducing Portronics Pure Sound 103 100W Detachable Soundbar with wired subwoofer, 2.1 channel system, USB aux, TF card slot, black color. 100W total power output for a room filling and powerful sound experience. Allows wireless audio streaming from compatible devices such as smartphone, tablet or laptop. Informative LED display on the soundbar to show the current setting and source. Comes with a remote control for easy operation and adjusting setting from a distance. It comes along with a 5.25-inch subwoofer. Product dimension 8.5 into 71 into 8.2 cm, 5.45 kilograms. Compatible devices: projector, notebook, desktop, phone, tablet. Support various input options including USB, aux and TF card slot for playing music from different sources.